Oh my God! Baby, please leave me alone before my stew gets burnt.
Why should I leave you alone? I and the stew, which one is more important? Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
Please, I don't want you to put me in the mood. Please just go away. Go away.
See, look, talking about the mood. Let me be the chef. So you don't go off the mood. Because I'm in the mood.
Baby?
Yes. You know.
Just look at you.
Just look at
what do you think you're doing?
Look how beautiful.
Just leave me alone.
See, look,
baby,
I'm
go.
doing it.
Go, please.
I'm doing
Just
it.
allow me to do my thing.
Okay. Where are you?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Say it again.
I'm behind you. Oh.
I hear you.
Okay, look at me. I'm here. I'm here. Okay.
Here, right?
No, I'm behind you.
No, this is behind me.
I'm behind you.
I could hear your voice say.
I am.
You just ran. I almost caught you.
Are you sure you're not seeing me?
No, I'm blindfolded for real.
You see me?
No.
Your line is not properly covered.
No. It's properly covered.
Wait.
Oh yeah, check it out. Okay.
So, yeah.
I caught you. No, I caught you. Yeah. So can you see me? This is my hand. Can you see me?
I can see. Baby, no, don't do this to me. You know I'm not good at this. Oh my God, hope I don't hit the table. Oh. Baby, stop. Oh my God, baby, I'm tired. Baby, stop now. Oh, don't do this to me. No. Ow! So naughty.
Yeah.
Take this off my eyes, Joe.
Man, baby. It's actually not easy being blind.
You know,
right?
blindness is the worst sickness ever. To me, I'd rather get crippled than go blind. Ooh. Nice. What?
I can't imagine this is what Cheta is going through. Oh God. That girl is suffering. Could you imagine? And she was born blind, like not for one day in her life has she seen a thing. I just felt it. I literally felt like a blind man doing this game right now.
Yeah, my love. It's okay.
But you know,
I understand it.
But do you know that some things are not fair and there is no explanation to it. This is not fair. She's just a child. No, think about it. Total darkness. Babe, total like gross darkness. She doesn't even know what is red, no yellow, no white.
See, my love, I know.
She can only hear of those colors. She can't differentiate it. She doesn't even know what it feels like. Can you? Oh God.
See, I understand it all, okay? I know. It's really not easy. But enough of all this, okay? Just come here. It's lunchtime already. Come.
I don't even know what my appetite is like right now. I just don't know. I just wish she could wake up one day and miraculously regain her sight. I just wish she could see.
Yeah, me too. I wish so too. But it's okay, please. It's okay. See, you're not... Okay.
Okay. So where did you shot from here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't give
No, I use this. I use this. No, baby, I use this to gauge it now.
You used what?
Yeah, the first one was on this. No,
Go
for real.
backwards.
Where do you want me to go? Okay. Oh yeah. Set it yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, just that.
Yes.
Okay. I'm the champion. I'm the champion. You need to repeat class. Ojoro, Ojoro, Ojoro. We no go grill. Okay, so if I shoot this one and I win you, then we'll know who is the winner. Because all you did is just Ojoro. So I'm gonna go one more step back and see how it is. Right? I missed.
You missed.
But who won? Who won?
Me, of
It's
course. I won.
No. Hey, come on.
I'm the winner.
You don't have to lie about it.
Winner. I'm the winner.
Let's be frank, who won? I won.
Okay, fine. You win.
Yes. I'm the champion.
Case closed.
I'm the champion.
Case closed.
Whoa. Baby's late.
What is it?
Yes, I need to go and pick Cheta. They wrote their final exam this morning.
Wait a minute. So you mean Cheta is finally coming back today as a graduate?
Yes. Like, she has graduated and I'm happy. Do you know what it is? I'm so proud of that girl. She has genuinely done well for herself. Baby, so I think you need to pick up the balls and the shoes. Let me rush off to the shower. So let me go hit the shower, take my bath, go pick her up, all right?
Okay, no
Make something nice before we come back,
no
all right?
problem.
All right?
I'll see you later.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
My God. Wait. So you mean Cheta is done with school and will be coming to stay with us permanently? Ha ha. No, it's not possible. That girl cannot spoil things for me. Imagine the nonsense. That girl is something else. Never. God. No. Kole work. Not possible.
I didn't know that you were there. No, I can't see.
Shut up your mouth. See, you even have the temerity to talk back at me, Abi. I'll damage that your face for you. You even have the temerity to talk back at me when I am talking? Stupid child. Or will you stand up from there at once and continue with your chores? Fool. Looking for a partner, I don't blame you. Nonsense. Will you stand up from there and continue your work? My friend, don't waste time. Don't waste time doing this rubbish. I beg. I don't have strength. See, make sure you wash these clothes properly. Is that clear? You're blind, but yet you can talk more than the people who can see. So it's better you get busy with your hands by washing these clothes, not talking.
Can I do this tomorrow, please? I'm really tired.
How? Tomorrow? Why?
I'm really tired and my hands are paining me.
Oh, shut up your mouth. So you're not only blind, you are also lazy, Abi. There is nothing I will not see. You know your mates that go to the farm in the morning and by this time of the day, they are still there working. Eh? I didn't know your mates.
Auntie, please, let's just use the washing machine. Please.
Wait. Washing machine, how? How dare you detect to me in my house what to do and what not to do? Eh? Hey, there is nothing I will not see you. Eh? What gave you the sense of thought to think you can even challenge me in my house? How dare you? Shut up your mouth, you evil child. Well, I can see that's why you were born blind. Of course.
Auntie, sense. I didn't make myself blind.
Shut up your mouth. See, let me tell you something. By the time I go out there and come back, make sure you must have finished washing all those clothes. Is that clear? Is that clear? Evil child. Blind bat.
God, what did I do to deserve this? What did I do to deserve this? All my mates can see and I can't. Why did you make me blind, God? And my own auntie believes that I'm evil. Why me, God? Why?
Sir?
What's in
Sir?
What's the problem?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. Someone actually came looking for you today.
Okay.
Yes. But I told him you're not around. This man, because of the way he was saying things, he was trying to make him up. I said, sir, you must stop. He said, I said, who are you? You know, as a professional security with the level I've already ascertained, I will not, people don't take me for granted. You understand? So I thought this was, Mr. Man, when I asked you a question, I wanted to give him papers that say, so who, do you know me?
Izuna, can you go straight to the point? What did the man say?
Okay. So he said, he's one real estate man. He said he's into real estate. He works with one real estate company. That the both of you had this business transaction that you wanted to do. And that both of you did one thing. I said, I don't understand that he should call you on the phone.
That's right. That's what you should do.
That's right. Powerful. Excellent. Yes. You know, he said there is this business transaction that you people made. We started calling blah, blah, blah. And I told him, say, okay, call him on phone. He said he doesn't have your number. That he lost his phone. That even the place where he saved your number, as the business did not work, that he cannot even find that particular phone again. I said, what type of thing is this? What type of unseriousness? What level of unseriousness is this? You see? So this is the...
Izuna, what is his intention?
Okay, his intention was for the business transaction. They have accepted it now. That they have now accepted the price you people bargained. That is it. But he cannot call your line.
All right. Did you get his number?
Of course.
Okay. Can you give me his number?
Yes. He actually gave me two different lines. He gave me MTN. He gave me Glo. He gave me MTN. He gave me Airtel. And I have them saved in my phone. You see? So now, sir, which one should I give to you?
Are you stupid?
Okay, sir. Come in. Let me give you MTN. Let me give you Airtel. Sir. I'll give you... This man could not be straightforward to give me a particular name. He was giving me his surname. Sorry. Nickname.
Izuna.
Sir, I'm bringing the number, sir. I'm just trying to analyze the whole thing so that you understand it. His name. Sorry, slow down, sir.
My friend, can you be serious for once?
I'm sorry, sir. That's what I'm trying to do. Because...
When you get the number, you get it.
No, sir. One more thing, sir. Sir, anytime... Okay, if anybody now looks for you, that's how I will bring a note. Okay.
Will you get that from me?
Yes.
You're crying. Look at your body. Who did this to you?
Auntie.
Look at your leg. Oh, God. That's my wife. Did this to you. All right, come. Sit down. Come on, sit down. I'm sorry. Come here. This way. Sorry. Yeah, sit down. Sit. Just wait here. Why are you maltreating Cheta in that such a manner?
Maltreating Cheta? Oh, wait. So because Cheta is your sister, she's above discipline, Abi? Oh, please spare me that rubbish.
Is that what you call discipline? You leave marks on her body and you call it discipline? So you're this cold? Really? Oh, God damn it. That girl is just blind.
Blind, you said? She's only blind, but her hands are working. See, when she uses that her useless mouth to eat my food, all my food in this house, she does not know she's blind, Abi? Please spare me that rubbish.
Is that what you say of a blind girl? Is that what you say of a girl who is disabled? Look, I never knew you had this hidden evil attitude inside of you. If I knew you were this wicked, that you had this evil mind, evil attitude, wickedness at its peak, I would never in my entire life gotten married to you.
And if I had known you have a blind girl in this house that does more of talking other than doing house chores, I swear I wouldn't have accepted you. Nonsense. Can you imagine the rubbish? For crying out loud, that girl is only blind. Not like she's crippled or amputated. Come on! If she cannot make good use of her hands and leg properly, how would she even make good use of her sight when she finally regains them? What do you want to do? You want to hit me? No! Do that! Do that so you can see the fury of a woman! Nonsense! You want me to deal with some blind girl? See, now I know. It's like there's even blindness in that your lineage. Rubbish. You want to hit me? Useless thing. Because of that, your useless blind sister. It's not me people will kill in this household. People will not kill me in this household.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
What's the meaning of this one? Please, just leave me alone and go and touch Cheta. Do not disturb me.
Why are you talking like this?
And why would I sound like that? Why would I sound like that? You practically worship the ground that girl walks on. But when Konji is holding you like this, you run to me. It's not your fault, so I don't blame you. Don't even start. Don't even try it.
Wangan, this is my conjugal right. I need it. Why are you behaving like this? These are one of the reasons why men cheat. A clear reason.
See this one. You think I don't know you've been cheating all this while? Eh? You can go ahead and cheat for all I care. Nonsense. Go and get it anywhere you want to get it. I do not care. This is one of the reasons why men cheat. Have I complained? No! I won't. I will never. Please, just keep your hands off this my body.
There is something deeply going on in this house. It seems Auntie is cheating on my brother with other men. I know I can't see, but I tell the smell of my brother and his wife, even though they wear the same perfume. I think she's bringing men into this house whenever my brother is not around. Because the perfume I smelled the other day is different. And the person smells like a man, not a lady.
I thought you were a Christian. It's even written in the Bible. It's in the text. It says, give it to him when he wants it. I don't know who has turned you to become like this.
Osinashu, it is you. You have made me to be like this. You are getting whatever you have activated in me. So deal with it. Sis. And see, don't just even try to come closer. If not, I will leave you and go to the living room so I can have my peace.
I don't know what I've gotten myself involved with.
Come to think of it, Auntie developed hatred on me the very day I asked her who she came back with, which she denied. But I'm pretty sure someone came to the house that day. The smell was totally different. I know I'm blind, but my nose is not. I must smell out the secrets that woman is keeping.
So let's have this as an appetizer before the main meal is ready.
Okay.
Yeah, it's ready in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. What is your fork?
What nonsense! If you can't see, can't you tell someone to help you out? Huh?
Wanganga, are you nuts? Are you stupid or something? Why would you talk to her in such a manner? Cheta is supposed to be your junior sister by the virtue of marriage. Why would you speak to her in such a way? Why humiliate her before me? What is your problem?
And why are you sounding as if I hate her? Huh? See, Cheta, darling, please do not litter the house for me. Okay? Because you know you cannot clean properly. Thank you.
Wanganga, you're stupid. You're very, very stupid. Chetachi has a condition. Who knows? Maybe this your wicked and mean attitude is been the reason why kids have been running away from you. Yes, these babies might be scared. For 3 good years we've been married, no child.
There is nothing I won't hear in this house. There is nothing. Oh, am I also the cause of our blindness?
Please, let's go.
Eh? Tell me. Oh, talking about babies. Did you insert anything into my body that I didn't naturally bring into this world? Tell me.
Come.
Nonsense. You're always blaming me for everything. See how she's messing up this whole table. Like I look like a maid.
Don't worry.
Come on, clean. You cannot even clean properly. You want to come and mess up the whole house for me? What kind of nonsense is this?
Let's go upstairs. I'll go and buy you food, okay? All right?
Go, let me even finish up this whole thing.
Cheta,
Brother?
how are you?
I'm fine, brother.
I brought you juice and biscuit. You can munch on something.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're off to work already?
Yes, I have some casual things to do today in the office, so I won't be long.
Hey, brother, you have to remember
Okay.
to always stay out of trouble.
Yes, ma. I will always stay out of trouble. All right. Bye.
Brother,
Yes.
one more thing.
Okay, what is it?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Come here. All right? Be a good girl, okay?
Have a great day.
You too.
Krista.
Izuna,
Sir?
I'm heading out right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I would like you to... I want to ask you for a favor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you see my sister, Cheta.
Yes, sir.
You know her condition. And you know sometimes she likes to walk around the vicinity to maybe look around. Please, I want you to always guide her. Have an eye on her once she's out so she doesn't go and stumble, right?
No problem, sir. I will keep my eyes on her.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
The car keys, please.
Sorry, sir.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I
thank
stay
you.
dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. Seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then you'll get bored.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain of pain. You don't ever wanna get me near. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on.
Scared of what?
I'm scared. Oga, if Oga catch me, I'm a dead man. I am finished if he catch me here. This is Master's bedroom now. See, I think this man is suspecting something. Oh. The way he's looking at me these days, I think this man is suspecting that something is going on.
And what did he say?
Imagine the advice he's not giving me. Izuna, take care of the house. Izuna, look after my sister very well. Izuna, be a good steward. All these things, I've been doing them. Why now advising me? This man is suspecting something.
Hey, see, you're just overthinking it, okay? Because your conscience is probably not clear. That's just normal talk. Please just...
Okay. No problem. I think we have to lie low this period. So the coast will be very, very clear first.
What coast? The coast is clear, okay? Please just stop saying all these things. No one is seeing us. No one is suspecting anything.
What about the blind girl? The blind girl as well is suspecting. You know that girl is too smart. In fact, I left her in front of the house now.
See, I've taken care of her, okay? Yeah, I put sleeping pills in the drink. My husband served that this morning. So please just relax so I can give you Master's chop. Just go in. My boy. Just... we have to be fast about it. Just... I'm feeling sleepy.
Mr. Aizu? Mr. Aizu? Mr. Aizu? Where are you? I'm feeling sleepy. It's like I have to manage and go inside myself. Mr. Aizu? Where is he now? So sleepy. Brother Ose, you are back so early.
Will you keep quiet there? Who is Brother Osi? Eh?
Auntie.
It's like that your blindness is now affecting your senses.
Auntie, sorry, I didn't know you were the one. I thought I heard a man's voice.
Which man's voice? Oh, so my voice now sounds like a man's tone, Abi? You must be very stupid.
Sorry.
I don't blame you.
Auntie, sorry, I didn't know.
Sorry for yourself, you stupid girl. Wait, so this is the thank you will tell me for the juice I gave your brother to give to you, Abi?
Oh,
Eh?
I didn't know you were the one that gave him the juice to give me.
Shut up your mouth. Why would you know?
Thank you.
Oh, no, please keep your thank you to yourself. It's not necessary, okay? Rubbish. After all, they will say I'm not a caring woman and I am there giving you juice. See, all I do is for God, okay? So keep your thank you to yourself. Nonsense.
This girl is the major problem I'm having in this house. She won't let me enjoy my life the way it suits me. I mean, how can she even expect a beautiful woman like me to stick only to one man? And sometimes it is good to have a taste of another soup because of this blind fool. No way. I won't let her do that. You won't have your way this time. I promise you.
I don't want to believe that you do not have conscience. How would you send a little girl who is blind to do dishes? With which eyes?
Osinachi, you're pampering that girl too much and it's not good for her. It's not good for her. After all, she's a woman.
Wangaga had a very hard-working maid in this house. Even before I got married to you. She was very hard-working. You sent her packing? I thought you wanted to do the chores alone because you are staying at home. But now it's obvious you want to put the life of my sister at risk.
See, let me tell you, as long as Cheta remains in this house, we will do the house chores together.
Wanganga, we need to. In fact, you need to get a maid. You have to get a maid.
Never! Cheta cannot be in this house and I will go out there and get a maid. Is it that she leaves or do the work of a maid? After all, I'm not even responsible for her blindness.
I'm talking about my sister leaving my house.
Leave me alone!
The next time you put that girl in harm's way, I will send you to your parents.
How dare you! Eh? You better go out there and pay a bride price, oh! After all, she's of age! How dare you humiliate me in front of that chicken? Rubbish! You have absolutely no respect and regard for me. Nonsense. Even if it means her putting her hands in fire, I don't care. She should do the chores. Do the damn chores. Rubbish. Imagine holding my dress because of that little rat. Okay.
Auntie hates me. I used to think that she loved me, but I was wrong.
Look, Cheta. Look. This is really hurting to hear you say this. I don't know if you know what it feels like to be in between two people, the most important people in your life. I don't know, it's hurtful.
Brother, please just take me back to Grandma's house, please. I'm tired of staying here, please.
Chetachi, the more you say this, the more it pierces my heart. Look, you are not going anywhere. You can't stay far from me. Who is going to take care of you? Who is going to look after you? Have you forgotten that since you were 5, we've always been together after our parents died? You're the only person in this world that I got, my true blood. And you want to be far? Grandma is old, and you'll become a burden to her. Or do you want her to die before her time?
But I'm scared. I'm just scared that she might harm me. She feels like you're giving me all the attention, and I think that's why she's doing all of these things to me.
Look, Cheta, I love you, there is no doubt to it. But I as well love my wife. My love is enough for the both of you. There is nobody that can come between I and you. You guys should stop already.
Brother, there's something important that I have to let you know.
What is it?
Madam, wait. Madam, wait. Madam, see, I'm afraid, I'm scared. Your husband may catch us. What if this man catch us here doing this thing now?
See, 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. 5 minutes should be okay for us.
5
Okay?
minutes.
It's just a quickie.
Hey, Madam, I'm not good with quickie. If I want to do this, then I do it very well. You see, I am just afraid. I don't want anything to happen. This man will catch us.
No, he won't. Okay?
Okay. Wait, madam, I want to ask you this important question. This your husband is a very good man. Why are you cheating on him with somebody like me?
See, if you are a woman, you understand that it is not easy to stick to just one man. Yes.
It's not easy.
Yes.
Stick with one man.
See, aside you, I have 4 other younger men I gained satisfaction from. Yeah, 4. It's just that they stopped coming because that useless blind girl makes them uncomfortable. Yes.
You have 4.
I have 4.
Madam, I am not doing it again. How can you have all these men satisfying me or just you? Hey, are you 911 engine?
You're not doing again, Abi?
Madam, I'm not doing it because...
Do you know what?
I'm locked up.
Get ready to refund every kobo I have given to you. And prepare to go back to the village.
Madam, why?
Nonsense.
Madam.
I think Auntie is bringing men into the house.
Cheta, my sister. I know my wife could be a lot. She could be very stubborn, she could be mean sometimes. But then I think she loves me so much that she would never disrespect me in such a manner.
So why haven't you asked yourself why she refuses you on the bed?
How did you know about that?
You've forgotten that I'm blind, not deaf. I can smell an emotionally satisfied person. She is, but you're not. Brother, you know I love you very much. And you know I care about you. I don't want anything to take away your happiness. But you really have to be careful around this woman.
For how long now have you been suspecting this?
For about a year now. In fact, let me just tell you the whole story. The reason why she sent Stella away from the house was because she kept bringing in men into the house. She caught her with another man. Auntie brought in the man into the house, made him stay for 1 week. She even lied to us that he was her cousin. And one day, Stella caught them pants down.
Auntie threatened Stella that if she told anybody about what she saw, she would kill her mother.
Oh.
So she sent her away from the house and gave her some money. It was Stella who told me everything. And she made me promise not to tell anybody for the sake of her mother's life.
This is a lot. And where the hell are you coming from?
How do you mean? Because I've been around, yeah. I've been around. Yes. I've been around.
Where exactly are you coming from?
Honey, is it not that your stupid security man? I gave him money to buy airtime for me because I couldn't recharge from my bank, and instead of him to bring the airtime for me, I was looking for him all over the place and couldn't find him, so I went to his quarter.
Good. So where is airtime? Where is the recharge card?
He didn't give me any recharge card. He didn't get any recharge card for me. He just sat down there doing nothing. Can you imagine the nonsense, man? My God. Honey, please don't just allow the security man spoil our day. Feeling so honey.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
You know what? They come upstairs.
Okay.
You know it's been long we had it. You know, I've missed you so much.
I've missed you.
So much.
Take it easy. I'm not feeling good.
Well, I know you're angry with me because of Cheta. Okay, but see, I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Don't worry, by tomorrow I will call her and apologize to her. And henceforth, I will take her as my own sister.
Honey?
Yeah, I'm
Did
sorry.
you just say that?
Yes. Sorry.
Wow.
You know, I've not been the best wife. Yeah, I know, but I promise I will make it up to you, and I will never refuse you again.
Okay. I think I'm so fascinated.
I love you so much, my king. Yeah, come on.
I love you.
Cheta, come here. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for everything I have put you through. I promise not to ever trouble or mistreat you again. Okay? See, from now henceforth, you'll be my gist mate, my playmate, my best friend, and my sister.
Auntie, I love you so much. But you treat me like an outcast.
No, Cheta, I'm sorry. I am a changed person now. Believe me. Okay? I want us to live as one big family.
Look, Cheta, my wife is sincerely sorry. And I had forgiven her. I would like you to do the same. Please find it in your heart to forgive her. All right?
I forgive you. Auntie, can you let me know the things I did wrong so I won't repeat them again?
No, darling, see, all those are in the past now. We've closed that page. Yeah, I know. You did nothing abnormal to me. It's just that I have not been fair to you. So please forgive me. I want us to open a new page.
Look, you don't know the happiness that I feel in my heart right now. Being at war with the both of you. Living in that war was something horrible. I can imagine one big family uniting again. This calls for celebration. So let me go get a bottle of champagne and glasses so we celebrate. Okay? I'm truly the happiest man on earth right now. Oh. My family's finally back. Yeah.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Okay.
Play with me like cats and a string.
Okay, this is to love. This is a family. This is to Cheta. This is to my wife. And Alright. Don't be jealous.
I know. It's fine.
Okay, this to my sweetheart. Alright, so we need to toast?
Yeah.
Yes, this is to peace, to love,
And one big family.
and one big
Family.
Alright.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said?
You're not getting what is this? What is this? What is this?
After the party, I just want to do we go enter the groove like a boat. I just have to rotate. If you go no go, na complain. The way you wind and the fight.
Oh my God. Babe, thank you so much for forgiving me. You know, I feel fresh. Okay. And my heart is less heavy.
Thank you for realizing your mistakes. I can't love you less. You're a good dancer. Maybe we should do this more. Okay, what's gonna happen?
You're the best husband ever. Okay? I think it's time for us to start marathon. So we can start making babies, actually.
Say, let me tell you something. The cry of a baby is long overdue in this house. And I'm going to shoot a joint at us. We're starting tonight.
Oh, wow. You know I'm always ready.
Are you?
Yeah, I was born ready, as a matter of fact. Yeah.
Are you for real?
Now you go run.
Only
Trust
boss
me.
of Maya. Anybody will run na mama.
Okay.
See, wait.
Let's
I
go.
go shift your womb. I go put them for corner. I go give you what to.
You're just making mouth. You're just making mouth. Let's go now.
See, wait.
Let's...
Back, early back, let you. I not go shift the womb again because we need them. If I shift them now, how will it go?
You're so naughty.
I love you too, honey.
I love you so much.
Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Wakey, wakey.
Never really know just what you want.
Wake up. It's morning. Good morning. Wake up. Good morning.
Babe. Good morning to you, my darling husband.
How was your night?
Oh, great.
All right, this is
Thank
breakfast.
God. Wait, wow. Breakfast in bed.
Right about it?
That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, I'm so committed in making this marriage work. I'm putting all the effort that is needed.
Wow. You know, I am so inspired right now.
Yeah, I know.
I love you.
I love you too.
Anyway, let me have a taste of this.
Okay. I know you like noodles.
Have.
And I hope I
some.
made it well. You like it?
You tried.
Oh.
It's a 6/10.
Oh, 6/10. Okay, I'll try then. Maybe, I need to sign up in your master class. All right, so I will score 10/10. I need to come to your class.
Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry. The conclusion.
Thank you so much. You know, you're so good at what you do.
Right.
I enjoyed myself.
That's good. Okay.
Where is she? Someone is coming. Just move away. Yes, who is that? What is it? You don't look happy? Why are you shaking your head?
Auntie, you promised us a few days ago that you would stop all the bad things you've been doing. And now you've gone back to your bad habits.
See, I don't understand what you're talking about. I'm lost.
Why are you pretending? You just finished making out with a man on your own matrimonial bed. I don't understand. Is it that you can't control your urge, or you just choose to disrespect your own husband?
Oh, shut up your mouth and say what you know. See, did you come here to insult me or what?
I know what I am saying. You made out with a man.
Please forgive me. Do not let my husband know about this. I'm sorry, I don't know. I don't just know what came over me. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I meant the apology, okay? But it's the devil. The devil won't just let me do the right thing. I'm sorry.
Auntie, you have to stop. You really, really have to stop. This thing can put you and Mr. Izu in danger. Auntie, I love you very much. And I want you to live a good life. That's why I'm begging you.
Just admit to a blind girl. Oh God, why? God, shit, what have I done? Whew. God. Ooh. No, this is not happening. No, I would have denied it. Oh my God.
Mr. Izu.
Yes, Cheta. How are you?
Mr. Izu.
It's me. How are you? Where are you going to?
I'm fine.
It's like you want to go and you want to have fresh air.
Actually, I want to have a word with you.
Okay, word with me. Okay, go ahead. Wow.
I need you to stay away from my brother's wife.
Eh?
Whatever that happened between you two should remain in the past. We are a new family now.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Stay away from my brother's wife.
Cheta, listen to me. You're a little girl. What do you know, Kwana? What do you know? There are some discussions children are not supposed to be engaging themselves with. You are too little to be talking, engaging yourself in matters like this. You should be concentrating more with your studies. All right?
Mr.
Don't do this
Izu,
again.
Mr. Izu, I may be blind, but I see more than you think. Yes, stay away from my brother's wife. If he finds out, you may remain in jail for the rest of your life.
What is that your name? Chetachi, listen to me. If not that I know you very well, I would have said that you are now taking Mkpurummiri. I know you don't know what is Mkpurummiri. Mkpurummiri is that substance that all those stupid boys in the village usually take and they will go out of their heads. Please, don't do this thing again. How can you be psyching me? At my age, you want to psych me? You want to force words out of my mouth? Huh? Don't do it again. Be careful.
You don't believe me?
Believe what?
All right. I know exactly what you smell like.
Eh?
I know what my auntie smells like. I know what my brother smells like. And I know what you smell like after you must have spent several hours in my house.
Hours?
Yes. Do you still need more proof?
Proof? But, listen. You see, even when Jesus Christ was in the world...
Stay away from my brother's wife.
I should stay away. Can you imagine? She can't even see. Eh? Take right. That is the most important thing. No, don't go for avoid that's a waste bin. Hi, Jesus Christ. Eh? Good nonsense like a boy. I think this woman want to put me inside problem. Who is telling? Somebody is feeding this girl with information. Eh? Is it that after all this this one will still go and feed her with information? How did she know that I visited that place? I sneaked in and I sneak out as well.
Are you okay, darling? Take, have some juice. You good?
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
The food is nice.
Oh, thank you.
Cheta, you like it?
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
You okay?
Auntie, take water.
Juice.
Auntie, take water.
No, juice. Take juice.
But I help her now.
No, don't worry. She's gonna be fine. You okay?
Yeah,
You'll be fine, right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yeah. No, eat your food. Cheta, eat your food now. She's an adult.
But she needs help. She's choking.
No, calm down, Cheta. Good. How does it feel? Wanganga. Wanganga. Does it feel good? Does it feel good?
Brother, what's going on?
Cheta, keep quiet.
What's going on?
This will be your last supper in this house, you stupid little brat. Ah, God. You've practically become a monitoring spirit in this house. You now detect to me how I live in my own house. Can you imagine the rubbish? By the time you take this drink, you will be far asleep. Let me see how you can reveal my secret to my husband. You're only allowed to reveal it to your late parents when you meet them there. Nonsense.
What's going on?
This lady right here poisoned your drink. So what I did was just swap it.
So she just drank from her own cup. You drank it? Is it?
Auntie, why? What did I do to deserve death? Is being blind not enough?
It would have been you, dead right now. But you know what? I only have one sister. I can always get married to another wife. Cheta, I love you so much.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay
what you want.
Let's go have a seat.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid.